Okay, this is section 13.2, consumer credit. The first is closed-end credit. It involves borrowing a set amount that pay a series of the equal payment until the loan is paid off. Typical example is a house, a car, furniture, and so on. Okay, another is open-end credit. There is no fixed number of payment, and the consumer continues payment until no balance is owed. Typical example is credit card. One example to illustrate this idea. Suppose que John buy 2,700 worth of furniture and appliances to furnish their first apartment. He paid 500 down and agreed to pay the balance at 7% on rate for 2 years. Find the total amount that he owes and his monthly payment. This is a pretty easy problem. You're subtracting the original amount minus the down payment, and this is the financed amount. The interest for this financial amount is multiplication this times the interest in decimal 0.07 times 2 is $308, plus the original financial amount is in total $2,508 divided by 24 payment, because it's 2 years. The answer is $104.50. Okay, the example 2 is for the credit card account. Assume 1 month between billing date and interest of 14.4% using average daily balance. To compute, number 1, the average daily balance. Number 2, the monthly financial charge. Number 3, the account balance of the next billing. Okay, the information that's given is previous balance 728.36, and the billing start at May 9 and May 17. The customer put the payment of the $200 in May 30 using the credit card to a dinner. The cost is $46.11. And June 3rd, buy a ticket, theater ticket, for the cost is $64.50. And finally, the billing day is the next June 9. Okay, let's do in the table to summarize this idea. Look, we start for the running balance. Entonces now, the first row, running balance. A represents the difference between 17 and 9. The duration of this period is 9 days. Multiplication, this running balance is times A, and you get this amount. Now the next one is May 30. Between 17 and 30 we have 13 days. And the balance is decreasing because you pay $200. That's 728.36 minus 200 is 528.36. Subtraction $200. Now this amount multiplied by 13, you will get this answer. Okay, now in May 30 is the dinner. In June 3rd is the theater tickets, and the duration is, well, this is between 30 and 3 is 4 days, and the duration between 9 and 3 is 6 days. And you multiply always this cell times this cell, and you get the multiplication, running balance multiplication, number of days. Finally, you add in this column and you add in this column. Okay, after that, in order to find the average daily balance, you divide this number, okay, the last column, divided by 31, and this is the daily balance, average daily balance. In order to find the financial chart, you multiply the average daily balance by the rate divided by 12 because it's monthly. And finally, the financial chart is $7.29. And finally, the last balance, so the new is summation, this and this together, and we get the final answer of the next bill. Okay, for finding the account balance, the new balance, you add in this number is $646.26. That's $646.26, and included in the chart to complete the schedule is $646.26, and we start new the next month.